Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to encrypt and password protect your email attachments in Outlook or Gmail. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the tools you need for sending secure attachments. Once everything loads up, you're ready to move forward. Now that your emails are loaded, click on the New Email button located at the top left part of your screen. This opens up the email composition window where you'll be able to attach and encrypt your files. It's the starting point for creating any new message in Outlook. From the email composition screen, you'll want to start adding your attachment. Click on the Insert tab at the top of the window. Once you're in the Insert menu, you'll see the Attach File icon on the top left. Go ahead and click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this drop-down, select Browse this PC. This will open a File Explorer window where you can locate the file you want to send. Now, here's where the encryption process begins. Navigate through your File Explorer to find the attachment you want to encrypt and password protect. Once you've located the file, right-click on it. A context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, click on Add to Archive. Keep in mind that this option will only appear if you have WinRAR installed on your computer, so make sure you have that software ready beforehand. After clicking Add to Archive, an Archive Parameters window will open up. This is where you'll set your password protection. Look toward the bottom right part of the window and you'll see a button labeled Set Password. Click on it and a password field will appear. Enter the password you want to use to protect your file, then confirm it by entering the same password again in the confirmation field. Once you've done that, click OK. Your attachment is now encrypted and protected with the password you just created. Now you're ready to attach the secure file to your email. Back in the File Explorer, select the compressed version of your file, the one you just password protected, and click Open. The file will now be added to your email as an attachment with full password protection in place. From here, you can finish composing your email, add the recipient's address, and send it knowing that your attachment is secure. And that's how you encrypt and password protect your email attachments in Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.